Okay, in this video we're going to be talking about Cityworks. That is our work order system for any kind of maintenance request that needs to be taken care of, or janitorial issue. If you've watched the previous video, just disregard what you've learned, because we've been working with a programmer to make it a little bit more user-friendly. So that in this video, that's what I'm going to be showing you, is how they've rearranged the screen. So it's easier for you to report and easier for those that need to see the work orders to get to those easier. So to get to your Cityworks, it's just you're going to go to your internet browser, and there should be a bookmark that's already saved up here called Cityworks. And you have a new login. It's FC Front Desk. The password should be saved in there so you can log in. If you do need it, it'll be on the front of the communication log. Again, it's FC Front Desk. Password is capital P, password 1 exclamation mark. And that can be found at the front desk on the communication log. So like I said, we've been working with a programmer to kind of better organize this screen so things are easier to report and a little bit more organized. And so they've made these two categories for us. And it is important that you know the difference between the two, because the building maintenance requests go out to our city maintenance crews, and those are the things that they see and come in to the building and fix for us. And then this tab, the janitorial, cardio equipment, and pool, those are areas that are contracted out. And so we have certain staff on hand that monitor those requests and then get those complaints or repairs out to the people that do that for us. So I'm going to show you some examples here that I've kind of created just to help you understand what this is about. So the building maintenance requests, I've listed some things that would be applicable to that category. So anything that's like a broken drinking fountain, a sink, or a toilet would be reported under this. A clogged drain, broken door, the heater AC isn't working, or a light fixture or exit sign is broken. So those are all things that are specific to the actual building, and our building maintenance guys would come in and fix. The other category, the janitorial, cardio equipment, and pool. Again, these are areas that are contracted out. So we have a janitorial company that comes in and handles these issues. We have somebody that comes in and repairs the weight and cardio equipment. And then the pool is also, we have an outside company that helps us with those. So here's some examples for janitorial. The soap or wipes are out. The paper towels or the toilet paper is out, or some sort of cleanliness issue or complaint. The cardio equipment is the actual physical piece of equipment that has an issue. So those are all numbered. So when the patron comes up and tells you about that, you need to make sure you write down the number of the equipment. So, and then very specifically what is wrong with it, so we can go down and look at that and then get that fixed. And then the pool, some examples would be that there's a problem with the actual water of the pool or the hot tub, some sort of chemical issue that is reported. For lifeguards and head guards that go into clean the basket, anything that's in the boiler room would be reported under pool. And then maybe the leisure pool play equipment or slide, something maybe is wrong with that. So those are just some examples of those categories. And again, that's building maintenance requests, and then janitorial, cardio, and pool. So I'm going to show you what each of those requests look like real quick. So to report a concern, you're just going to click on the heading, and it's going to open up into this screen. We're always selecting fitness and recreation. And then here's all the rooms of the building. So if for some reason you can't find the room on here, it's just the miscellaneous category is named Fitness Center Building Maintenance Requests, and that's where we would use the location and the details to tell them exactly where the problem is. So for us, we've just kind of been using the same description on location and details, just trying to be as specific as possible, because if we just say the drinking fountain is broken, that's not going to be very helpful. So we need to make sure we tell them where it's at and exactly what's happening. So we're just going to select here the men's locker room. For an example, clogged drain in the men's showers. And yeah, so we've just been doing it in both areas. That makes it really visible to the maintenance guys. And then when we're done typing in your concern, make sure you hit save, and it issues a work order number, and you are done. To go back to the main screen, you can just hit the Cityworks logo and it takes you back to the screen. You can see right here, this is where it has been reported. And you can scroll over and see the date it was reported. If you're wondering if something has already been reported, it will show up on this screen. So this is the service request created on this screen. That's this category goes to this screen. This category goes to this screen. For the janitorial, to report that, this screen is a little bit different, and this might be tweaked a little bit as time goes on. But right now, the entity group under address, again, it's fitness center, and then it comes up with those 3 categories. Just make sure that you select the one that is appropriate. So we're going to report a piece of cardio equipment here. And we're just going to say treadmill number 4 is giving an error. And if you don't have anything more to say, I would just put it on both. And then again, just hit create. It assigns it a work order number, and you don't need to worry about anything else on this screen. So just going back to the Cityworks logo here, you'll see that treadmill number 4 is giving an error. And again, you can scroll over and see the date that it was requested and all that. So that is how you report a concern. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, Shelly, or Derek, or Stacy. Chow's over the cardio equipment. So hopefully that makes sense. Reach out to a supervisor if you have any questions.